In this CB Income Bot review, I'm going to be showing you a software that claims that with a push of a button, you can create an autopilot ClickBank site with 2 million articles built in that's making them $53.62 an hour. I'm going to be showing you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out CB Income Bot, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. If you do decide to purchase this, I do have extra bonuses for you that you're going to get. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says one-click push-button app creates autopilot ClickBank sites with inbuilt 2 million plus articles that make us $53.62 an hour in 60 seconds flat. So pretty big income claims here. Making $53.62 an hour from a 60-second job is just, I don't believe it right to begin with here. So that stuff doesn't exist, everyone. So just be aware of that. What does this site actually do? It creates preloaded sites with new daily reviews for top converting ClickBank sites, but it doesn't mean that it's going to magically start printing you money here. So just be aware of that. Now they have some income proof here from ClickBank, but I don't have any idea, way of proving that this actually comes from the sites. Could come from other stuff here, but I doubt that this money comes from these type of sites. If it does, and you guys want to, if you guys are watching and you want to create a video showing me the exact sites that are making the money and prove it to me, then I will completely post it below this video. But as of right now, I don't believe that. It says step 1, choose a site template. Step 2, enter into your keyword. It will fetch your content for you. And then step 3, you get paid. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. It's not going to happen like that. So just be aware of that. Now this guy, Richard W, says he got $100 daily. I think this is a fake income proof. This looks fake. Shown here, Joy R. This also looks very fake. I don't believe that as well. So yeah, this is the stuff that it does have, what this software really has. It's it says it has the pre-made articles. Okay, that's fine. Fully automated, that's fine. Easy to use, that's fine. You can click and earn, put your income on 100% automation. Sure, it might be an automated site. Free hosting and domains included, that's good. Click and earn, put your income on, did we already have that? Works on any devices. Self-updating content, that's good. Monetized by widgets, side banners, and ad clicks, that's good. Okay, that's fine. That stuff, built-in opt-in forms. They've got some training included, variety of templates. Perfect. That's fine here with this. But I'm going to show you an actual example site here as well. They've got a bunch of bonuses here. You get all this stuff if you buy it. Now, I do also want to show you this. For any of you that are going to purchase this, I'm going to move my mouse away. You can get a discount. So you can get a $4 discount. I make less as an affiliate by showing these discounts. So please hit that like button. It really helps me. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play a quick video of them explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you an actual site, the back-end area, and the OTOs and discounts.
Did you know you are one click away from launching your done-for-you affiliate site in 60 seconds that gets you free buyer traffic and makes 4 figures per day on autopilot? If it sounds exciting to you, then please listen up here. Now introducing the fully automated money-making ClickBank affiliate site. It builds you 100% done-for-you website, which works completely on autopilot without writing any content or doing any manual work. We developed this software for beginners to get easy results. Now you can launch the money-making affiliate website in 3 simple steps. Step 1, purchase and log into the cloud-based app. Step 2, activate your 100% done-for-you campaigns. Step 3, start getting free traffic and automated earnings. That's not all. We're also offering a 4-figure per day tutorial to boost your affiliate sales. It is fair to charge $197 for life-changing software and training, but we're not charging $197 or any monthly fee. We're making it affordable for beginners for a tiny little price, but that is not everything. We are also offering 5 fast action bonuses. These are the valuable bonuses that we have spent the time to develop for you. You are also covered with a 365 days money back guarantee. So it is totally risk-free and 100% money back guarantee for you. Price increases every single minute. So take action today and secure your copy today. See you inside.
Okay, so this is an actual site that was created with this. I went into the dashboard, and this is the site that they give you to preview. So if I look at this, for some reason this image isn't opening on here. That might be some kind of a geo restriction on it, so I'm not going to base it on that. But these reviews looks like a year old, so this looks like this could be a potential relaunch of this product. It was launched a year ago potentially, and they're relaunching it, which isn't a bad thing. That's fine, but I want you guys to be aware of that. They've got monetization places here, places to put in your reviews, and that's fine. I like review site creators. That's fine. It's got opt-in forms. This is fine. Like this kind of stuff here, these review websites don't need to be super pretty. In my experience, I found that pretty doesn't mean more money. So this type of thing here, you could make a sales page that says like create review websites automatically and monetize them and show some income proof of some money that you've made, but don't try to say that these sites are making money if you don't have real proof of that. That's where I don't like it. Now they have, this is the backend area where you can set everything up here. That's nice. You don't have to have a domain name. That's good. You don't need to host it. So that's a pretty cool aspect of this. Now they do have multiple OTOs here. So like the first one is, well, this looks like the actual sales page here. So the first OTO is you can get the limitless upgrade. So you can create like unlimited websites, I guess, with this. If you move your mouse away, you can get a discount. Again, click that like button. It really does help me out. Next one, it says add the set and forget mode. So this is an autopilot version. Move your mouse away, you can get a $10 discount. Next one here is done for you. So they're going to do everything for you. Move your mouse away and you can get a discount on this one as well. The next one here is you can get traffic. So they're going to siphon in traffic for you. You can get a $10 discount if you move your mouse away. Here's another done for you template. You can get a discount if you move your mouse away. Next one here is you can get a bunch of their best-selling apps. You can get a discount here, but move your mouse away. And the last one is reseller license. So you can sell this and keep all of the money for this. So I'm just curious. Yeah, this one right here was made 7 months ago. So this is an older product. There's nothing wrong with that, but just be aware of that. All these OTOs are completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about CB Income Bot and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, income claims, when I don't believe them. You don't need to put fake testimonials on your sales pages and make these claims of making $53.62 an hour. Maybe that number is based upon some affiliate commissions that they made on ClickBank, but I doubt it's from these websites. What do I like about this? If you're interested in building a ClickBank website that auto-populates for you and you don't want to host things, you don't want to have a domain name, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at CB Income Bot, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.